Hari Om children. In this session, we can discuss about integral of cosec x. Okay, in the previous section, we have already discussed about integral of tan, sec, cot. Okay, in this class, we can discuss about integral of cosec x. Okay, that is, how can we find integral of cosec x dx? Okay, for converting this in the form integral f dash x by f of x dx, for converting into this form, we have to multiply and divide the function cosec x by cosec x minus cot x. Okay, so we are going to multiply and divide by cosec x minus cot x. Okay, that is integral cosec x into cosec x minus cot x divided by cosec x minus cot x, okay, into dx. We multiply cosec x by cosec x minus cot x and divide by cosec x minus cot x. There will be no change for the function, okay, it will get cancelled, there is no change. Then if you open the bracket in the numerator, cosec x into cosec x is cosec square x. Cosec x into cot x is what? Cosec x cot x. Okay, that is, we get cosec square x minus cosec x cot x whole divided by cosec x minus cot x into dx. Okay, here cosec square x minus cosec x cot x divided by cosec x minus cot x. Here if we check numerator as derivative of the denominator or not. How can check that? Derivative of cosec x minus cosec x cot x. Derivative of cot x is minus cosec square x. So what is derivative of minus cot x? Cosec square x. Okay. Here in this form, numerator becomes derivative of the denominator. Okay. Therefore, we know what is the integral of that type of functions? Log mod denominator. Log mod cosec x minus cot x plus c. Okay. Log mod cosec x minus cot x plus c. Okay. So this is the integral of cosec x. Integral of cosec x is log mod cosec x minus cot x plus c. Did you understand this? For converting this into the form, numerator as derivative of the denominator, we multiply cosec x by cosec x minus cot x divided by cosec x minus cot x. Okay. Therefore, this cosec square x minus cosec x cot x whole divided by cosec x minus cot x. Okay. Therefore, numerator becomes derivative of the denominator. Therefore, the answer is log mod denominator. So, log mod cosec x minus cot x plus c. Okay. Then, next we can continue exercise 7.2. Okay, exercise 7.2. First question is exercise 7.2. Okay, exercise 7.2. Then, question is integral. First question is integral log x the whole square divided by x into dx. This is the question. Integral log x the whole square by x into dx. So, in substitution method, we have to find the function where whose derivative is also occur in the integral. Here 1 by x is there. Log x is there. We know derivative of log x is equal to what? 1 by x. So, here we want to put which equal to u? Log x is equal to u. Did you understand? Because here we know derivative of log x, that is 1 by x. In substitution method, we have to find a function in the given integrand where whose derivative is also occur here. Okay, what is derivative of log x? 1 by x. So here we want to put log x is equal to what? U. Okay, log x is equal to u. If you differentiate this, derivative of log x is 1 by x dx becomes what? Du. Okay, 1 by x dx becomes du. Therefore, this function becomes integral log x the whole square by x into dx becomes, okay, log x is u, integral u square into What is, we can put 1 by x dx as what? 1 by x dx as du. U square into du. Okay. So we convert the given function into the variable u by using substitution method. Okay. Then we know what is integral of u square du. It is in the form x raised to n. The integral is u raised to 3 by 3 plus c. Because x raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Therefore, the integral is u cube by 3 plus c. In the last step, we have to substitute for u. What is u? Log x. Okay. Therefore, the answer is log x the whole cube by 3 plus c. Okay. Log x the whole cube by 3 plus c. Okay, did you understand? So here we put log x is equal to u, 1 by x dx becomes du. So in the place of 1 by x dx, we put du. In the place of log x, we put u. So u square du. This is standard form. U integral is u cube by 3 plus c. In the last step, we put u equal to what? Log x. Okay. Simple question. Then next problem is, next question is integral dx divided by x plus x log x. Okay, x plus x log x. Okay, then here in the denominator, which is common here, x is common. Okay, in the first step, we will take x outside. Okay, we can take x outside. That is integral dx divided by x into 1 plus log x. Okay, x into 1 plus log x. We take x outside in the first step. Then next we have to find where we want to put u. Okay, that is, we know what is the derivative of 1 plus log x? Derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. Here 1 by x is there. No, dx by x is what? 1 by x. So in this step here, we have to put 1 plus log x is equal to what? U. Derivative of 1 is 0. Log x derivative is 1 by x into dx is equal to what? Du. Okay. Therefore, this function becomes, the function becomes integral. Okay. Dx by x becomes du. Dx by x together we put it as du by, okay, what is 1 plus log x? U. 1 plus log x is u. Therefore, this integral, we convert the integral into form 1 by x form. What is integral of 1 by x? Log mod x. Here what is integral of 1 by u? Log mod u plus c. That is equal to what? Log mod u. What is u here? 1 plus log x. So 1 plus log x plus c. This is the answer. Okay. So first step, we take x outside, then we put 1 plus log x is equal to what? U. Then we put it in the function and introduce into the form 1 by u du. We know what is integral of 1 by u? Log mod u plus c. Okay, am I clear? No. Then next problem. Next problem is evaluate integral sin x into sin of cos x dx. Okay, the question is integral of sin x into sin of cos x into dx. Okay, function of a function. Okay, sin of cos x. Here where we want to put u. Okay, where we want to put u here? Here sin x dx is there. We know derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Okay, then if we put cos x is equal to u, we have to put what? Cos x is equal to u. Differentiate, we get what? Minus sin x dx becomes what? Du. Okay, minus sin x dx becomes du. Therefore, sin x dx becomes minus du. Then we got sin x dx as what? Minus du. Therefore, the given function will reduce into the form, here we can write the question again, sin x into sin of cos x into dx. Okay, we can reduce the function into the form. Sin x dx becomes what? Minus du. Sin of cos x becomes what? Sin of u. Cos x is u. Okay, therefore the function becomes integral of sin u into sin x dx becomes what? Minus du. Okay, That is integral. We know what is integral sin u minus cos u. That already one minus is there. Minus of integral sin u du. That is minus of integral sin u is minus cos u plus c. Okay, minus cos u plus c. Therefore we get minus minus plus, that is equal to cos of cos u plus cos u. That is cos u plus c. That is cos of, what is u? Cos x. Cos of cos x plus c. This is the answer. Okay, cos of cos x plus c. Therefore the answer is integral sin x into sin of cos x dx is equal to what? Cos of cos x plus c. Okay, next one. Next we can do the next question. That is, next problem is integral x into root of x plus 2 dx. X into root of x plus 2 dx. Okay, here where we want to put u. Here if we put x plus 2 equal to u. Okay, here most probably we will put in the function inside the bracket as inside the root as u. Okay, that is if we put x plus 2 equal to u, differentiate this, we get what? Dx is equal to what? Du. Dx becomes du. Here derivative of x is 1. 1 into dx. Okay, 1 d into dx, understood. 1 into dx is equal to what? Du. Derivative of 2 is constant, that is 0. Derivative of constant is 0. So 1 dx is equal to what? Du. Okay. Therefore, again, what is x from this? X equal to what? U minus 2. X becomes u minus 2. And dx becomes what? Du. Therefore, the given function integral x into root of x plus 2 dx is equal to, this x becomes u minus 2, integral u minus 2 into, okay, u minus 2 into root x plus 2 becomes what? U, root u, dx becomes what? Du. Okay, the function becomes u minus 2 into root u into what? Du. Okay, did you understand? That is the first step is what? We put x plus 2 equal to u. From this x equal to u minus 2 and dx becomes what? Du. Therefore we write the function as x becomes u minus 2 here, x plus 2 we put u. Then open the bracket. Therefore we get integral u into root u minus 2 into root u du. Okay, open the bracket. Then u into root u, that is integral u into u raised to half minus u 2u raised to half into what? Du. Okay, what is x raised to m into x raised to n? X raised to m plus n. So we can apply laws of exponents. Integral u raised to 1 plus half, that is u raised to 3 by 2 minus 2 into u raised to half whole into what? Du. Okay, then we can integrate that. Then we can integrate the function, split it and integrate. By using properties of integrals, we can split it and integrate. Integral u raised to 3 by 2 dx minus 2, take it outside, u raised to half du. We split the integral. Okay, we split the integral. Then that is, what is integral of x raised to n? X raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1. U raised to 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 into u raised to half plus 1 by half plus 1. Half plus 1 by half plus 1 plus c. Okay, so this is the form. Then we can simplify and we can put u as what? X plus 2. Okay, we can put u as x plus 2 also. That is u raised to 5 by 2 by 5 by 2 minus 2 u raised to 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c. Okay, that is we get 5 by 2 becomes 2 by 5. Take the reciprocal of that. 2 by 5 u raised to 5 by 2 minus, here 3 by 2 comes to the reciprocal of that, you get 4 by 3. 4 by 3 u raised to 3 by 2 plus c. Okay, last step we can put u equal to what? X plus 2. 2 by 5 into x plus 2 raised to 5 by 2 minus 4 by 3 x plus 2 raised to 3 by 2 plus c. So this is the answer. Okay. Therefore, here we get the answer 2 by 5 x plus 2 raised to 5 by 2 minus 4 by 3 x plus 2 raised to 3 by 2 plus c. Am I clear? No. Any doubt here? Then. Okay. Then we can continue the next question. The next question is integral. Next one. Integral. We can continue the next question. Integral 1 by x minus root x into dx. Integral. We can continue the next question. Integral 1 by x minus root x into dx. Okay. Then here in the denominator x can be written as root x into root x. Then in the denominator root x is common, so we can take it outside. Okay, so we can write it as 1 by, if you take root x outside, first term becomes root x minus 1 into dx. Okay, what is the reason? X is root x into root x, so if you take root x outside, one root x will remain there. Root x remains there, root x minus 1 into dx. Okay, then next step we have to use substitution. Where we want to put to u? Here we put root x minus 1 is equal to what? U. Okay, that is put root x minus 1 is equal to u. Then if you differentiate this, what is derivative of root x? 1 by 2 root x into dx is equal to what? Du. Derivative of 1 is 0. Okay, therefore we get 1 by root x dx becomes what? 2 du. We take this 2 into the side. So 1 by root x dx becomes what? 2 du. Okay. Therefore, listen carefully. First we take root x outside. Root x into root x minus 1. Then we put root x minus 1 is equal to u. That is, if we differentiate, we get 1 by 2 root x into dx is equal to what? Du. From this, 1 by root x dx becomes what? 2 du. Therefore, this function will reduce into, okay, this function becomes integral dx by root x becomes 2 du. 2 du divided by what? What is root x minus 1? U. Okay, 2 du divided by u. Therefore, take the constant outside, integral du by u. 2 into integral du by u. That is 2 into, what is integral of 1 by u? Log mod u. 2 into log mod u plus c. Okay, 2 into log mod u plus c. That is 2 into, what is log of, what is u here? Root x minus 1. Root x minus 1 plus c. This is the answer. Okay. Okay. In the first step, we take root x outside. Then we put this equal to u. Then derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x dx. And derivative of u is du. Okay. Therefore, 1 by root x dx becomes 2 du. Therefore, the function will reduced into this form. Non-integrable function, we can integrate the function 2 into log mod u plus c. Am I clear? No. Okay. Then one more question we can discuss now. Next one is integral x dx. Integral x dx divided by root x plus 4. Root x plus 4. That is, here also we have to put x plus 4 equal to u. Okay, that is x plus 4 equal to u. From this, what is x? X equal to what? U minus 4. X equal to u minus 4. Okay, but dx is equal to what? Du. Dx is equal to du. Here, we have to put the function as u were inside the root. Okay, we put x plus 4 is equal to u. Dx, from this x equal to u minus 4. Dx becomes what? Du. Therefore, this function becomes integral of, that is dx becomes du, x becomes u minus 4. U minus 4 divided by root u. U minus 4 divided by root u into what? Du. Okay, that is integral u minus 4 by root u into du. Okay, then what is the next step? Divide each term of the numerator by the denominator, split it and integrate. Okay, that is u by root u minus 4 by root u. Then we can continue that step also. That is integral u by root u minus 4 by root u into what? Du. Okay, what is u by root u? Root u will get cancelled. Integral root u minus 4 into u raised to minus half into what? Du. That is integral root u is what? U raised to half minus 4 into u raised to minus half into what? Du. Okay, the function becomes integrable. That is, what is integral of u raised to half? U raised to half plus 1 by half plus 1. What is integral of u raised to minus half? U raised to minus half plus 1 by minus half plus 1. That is u raised to 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 minus 4 into u raised to minus half plus 1 is half by half plus c. Okay, substitute for u. What is u? X plus 4. Therefore, we get 3 by 2 becomes reciprocal of is 2 by 3. U is x plus 4. X plus 4 raised to 3 by 2 minus 8. U raised to half means x plus 4 raised to half plus c. This is the final answer. Okay. So now we can conclude here. In the next section, we can continue exercise 7.2. Thank you.